Hello friends, today's video I am going to discuss about the section 279 IPC, rash driving or riding on a public way. Whoever drives any vehicle or rides on any public way in manner so rash or negligent as to endanger human life or to be likely to cause hurt or injury to any other person shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees or with both. Section 279 deals with rash driving or riding on a public way. The ingredients for rash driving includes driving of a vehicle or riding on a public way. Such driving or riding must be so rash or negligent as to endanger human life or to be likely to cause hurt or injury to any other person. In famous case Ravi Kapoor versus State of Rajasthan, there was a collision between bus and jeep. Accident took place at a turning point, resulting in death of many persons. Accused bus driver, instead of leaving bus at the place of accident to show that he was on the right side of the road and it was jeep that collided with the buses, moved the bus to a different point. Bus driver, who was also owner of bus, was identified by witnesses and a passerby. Evidence of witnesses was consistent and in line of statement made in FIR. Bus driver accused was held liable to be convicted under Section 279 IPC. He was acquitted by trial court, but judgment of acquittal was reversed by court. It was held by Supreme Court that reversal of judgment of acquittal by appellate court was justified and not holding of test identification period was inconsequential. In this case, the test of rash and negligent driving was also laid down. 2012 for Criminal LJ 4403 SC. It was held that test of rash and negligent driving under Section 279 is not the speed. It is the manner of driving that endangers human life which is determinative. Other parameters that are applicable are reasonable care and doctrine of res ipsa liquidator, that is rule of last opportunity. Even when one is driving a vehicle at a slow speed but recklessly and negligently, it would amount to rash and negligent driving within the meaning of language of Section 279 IPC. That is why the legislature is, in its wisdom, has used the words manner so rash or negligent as to endanger human life. Preliminary conditions thus are that one is it is the manner in which the vehicle is driven. It is driven either rashly or negligently. C. Such rash or negligent driving should be such as to endanger human life. Another parameter applied is of reasonable care in determining the question of negligence or contributory negligence. One that an accident may by its nature be more consistent with its being caused by negligence for which the opposite party is responsible than by any other cause, and that in such a case the mere fact of the accident is prima facie evidence of such negligence. Secondly, it is to avoid hardship in cases where the claimant is able to prove the accident but cannot prove how the accident occurred. In rash driving, we can see lot of accidents are taking places. In such cases, police charging the offense under Section 279 IPC and the punishment is imprisonment up to 6 months with fine or 1000 rupees or with both. It is very important section and one must understand the basic things of rash driving and Section 279 IPC. Thank you very much.